Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So last year Instagram have added a new feature that you can use a polls in your Instagram reels. So it was like this, whenever you were selecting a reels or recording a reels, and in this page there was a option to select a polls option, but now this option is not there. In this year Instagram have done some changes and this option has been moved. So right now it is not there. So how to use it, I will show you in my mobile screen. So to use this feature, you need to open your Instagram app, click on plus, and record a reels or select anything from your mobile. For example, I am recording something here, and here I will click on next. So previously that option was here below, but now to get the poll option, you have to click on this caption place. Here you can see. So once you will click, this poll option will appear here. This will automatically come. Just click on this one and you can write anything. uh, are you in LDR, long distance relation? Yes, no. If you want to add it more, you can add it, tick. So this poll is added. Now you can post a reel. So this is how this poll has been added in 2024. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.